everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Congress arranged tractor rally in Rajasthan with great enthusiasm and high spirit. MP Rahul Gandhi on Saturday drove a tractor rally with Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Rajasthan Congress Chief Govind Singh Dostara sitting on either side. The biggest business in India is agriculture. It is 40 lakh crore business and 40% of population depend on the business, Mr. Gandhi said. The Congress party tweeted picture of Rahul Gandhi on the tractor saying this farmer tractor will bring the arrogant BJP. The Congress party tweeted picture of Rahul Gandhi on tractor saying this farmer tractor will bring the arrogant BJP government on track. Rahul Gandhi today strengthened the voice of farmer by taking part in the farmer tractor rally in Rupangarh, Ajmer. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday took part in farmer tractor rally in Rajasthan to voice his support for the protest against center new farm laws. He said that it will benefit a few large corporate firms at the expense of lakhs of small and marginal farmers. Open scholarship test for class 7 to 12th student. From Dhanbad, Zubair Alam, according to him, the sensation spread throughout the area after the land trader Shahjad's body was found on the side of the railway track adjacent to the Bhuli training school near Vaishirpur area mode. The police reached the spot after getting the information. The body has been sent for postmortem. The family member of the deceased have feared murder. The land mafia evil eye on the forest. The body of the person recovered preparing to do the document online to save the land.
आपका यहाँ घूमने जाएंगे तो दुर्गा पूजा के समय जाएंगे সবার পুরো বাংলায় পুরো দেশে পুরো পৃথিবীতে বলতে পারেন মা দুর্গার আরাধনায় সবাই মেতে ওঠে আমেরিকাতে যারা বাঙাল বেঙ্গলের লোকেরা আছে তারা কি করে দুর্গা পূজা করে লন্ডনে যে বাঙালিরা আছে তারা কি করে দুর্গা পূজা করে আমরাও দিল্লিতে বোম্বেতে সমস্ত জায়গায় বাঙালি মানুষ বাংলার মানুষ যেখানে বসবাস করে সবাই দুর্গা পূজা আরাধনায় মেতে ওঠে সে মা দুর্গাকে উনি বলছেন कहां से आ गया दुर्गा जी पता नहीं अरे तुम कहां से आ गया इसका भी पता नहीं माँ दुर्गा के बारे में जो माँ दुर्गा को हम इतना सम्मान करते हैं दुख में सुख में हमेशा माँ दुर्गा के साथ जब बहुत मुसीबत आ जाए घर में बहुत बड़ा विपद आ जाए जब कोई पता नहीं चलता है कि क्या करे किसी का बहुत तबीयत खराब हो गया डॉक्टर जवाब दे दिया हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं माँ दुर्गा का मंदिर में जाते हैं कि माँ सबको ही जवाब दे दिया आप हमको बचाइए यही तो हम लोग करते हैं जब नेता फेल डॉक्टर फेल वैज्ञानिक फेल सब कोई फेल तो कौन रहता है माँ दुर्गा और ममता बनर्जी इस
मंदिरे দারুণ ফাটক সেই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হয়েছে সমস্ত বন্ধুদের বলবো একটু সামনের দিকে দাঁড়ানোর জন্য আমরা সকলকে অনুরোধ করব
Requirement of a health insurance advisor. From Durgapur, Ravi Rohit Mohankar, according to them, Indigo flight service to Andal Airport soon. Kazi Nazrul Islam Airport, Kanya, Durgapur Andal is going to start flight service from RDP to private airline company Indigo very soon. In the summer schedule, Indigo is going to serve Asansol to Durgapur, Artisan from Andal Airport to Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Purulia, February 13. In the past Panchayat Lok Sabha election, the distributive party BJP has mistaken the people of Jangal Mahal. With the changes that have taken place after the Lok Sabha election,
अरे माँ बनेगा आवाज सुनो बंदे मातरम अरे छात्र शिविर आवाज सुनो बंदे मातरम बांग्ला अग्निकुंड में बंदे मातरम छात्र तुम एगिए बोलो बंदे मातरम कृषक तुम एगिए बोलो बंदे मातरम उड़ाते नयনের মণি অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে জানাই বাংলা অগ্নিকন্যা
Kulti in the protest against the objectionable words uttered by BJP State President Dilip Ghosh regarding Mother Durga, the Kulti block youth Trinamool Congress blocked the Kulti Nai road and burned the idol of Dilip Ghosh. On this occasion, Subhasis Mukherjee, president of the Kulti block of the youth Trinamool, said that the way Dilip Ghosh had made the statement has hurt the feelings of the religion. On the other hand, Kulti BJP Mandal 3 President Amit Gorai said that insulting any deity is not our culture. Asansol Development Authority Chairman and Asansol South Center MLA Tapas Bandyopadhyay said in an exclusive interview that in the last 5 years, work worth 6 crore has been done for Durgapur East Assembly. Consequently, 72 crore for West Vidhan Sabha at 150 crore for Durgapur. With him, another 50 crore has been done in Kanaska. According to the Purulia reporter Vikas Prasad, Purulia, February 13, District BJP Yuva Morcha in Purulia on various demands including drug-free youth society, release of teacher Subhajit Mahato arrested in Chanabis, scandalous establishment of craft within the district, the protection of women, the procession was taken out. Asansol Wasim Khan, according to him, the State Labour and Law Justice Minister Malay Ghatak inaugurated the Surya Narayan Sen Park located on the 54th Ward of Asansol Municipal Corporation on Saturday. On the occasion, Minister Malay Ghatak said that Surya Sen Prakash Park was in the bad state for a long time. Children could not do sports in the park and locals could not even do morning walks. State Labour and Law Minister Malay Ghatak handed over the bicycle of the state government Humanitarian project Sabuj Sathi to student at function at Kanyapur High School in Asansol in West Bardhaman district on Saturday. According to the announcement of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for the facility of online reading according to another project taken by the state government.
Only shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
Without a map, your traverse, a rocky terrain, broke through the overgrowth and made it the remains. Patiently and quietly you rebuilt and the fortress to see the man inside still awkward and nervous. You change everything with a simple smile. The eyes started to melt, and I felt something I hadn't in a while. I fought against it, remembered the hurt, but was overpowered by your love so strong and so true. I get lost in your eyes. I feel at home in your embrace. Love to hear your voice and feel at home in this place. We have only just begun to build. I am looking forward to all that we have in store. Happy Valentine Day, my love, and here's to my many more. Happy Valentine Day.